Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. It's a bright sunny day. I opened the doors, can hear the birds whistle. Time for another maintenance on the Kawasaki Z650. What are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to do your own maintenance on your rear brake. We're gonna renew the brake fluid, put new brake fluid into the system. So I would say, go on over and we start. The first thing we're gonna do is get this piece of Tupperware off. That's easy. I'm sure these are not the original. No, these are not original Kawasaki. These are, but they painted it black. Yeah. Over there is another one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hook it in here, then we can open this one. Kawasaki. Stem. Sure how long that bolt is. Yes, I can take it out. Okay, I'm gonna clean it later on. Okay, first we're gonna suck out all the brake fluid, the old stuff. Okay, no, easy. Then we're gonna give it a clean, of course. Up, 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 up. So. Yep. Side. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. I always like to use Castrol. Castrol brake fluid DOT4. Why? It's a good brake fluid. Never had a problem with it. And I like to place it in such a bottle. So let's do that. Carefully, not to spill it. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Okay. close the bottle so nothing can fall in, and if you tap it over, kick it over, it's not on your floor. Then up, fill it up. First thing we get the wonderful rubber cap off. Inspect it for cracks. No, everything's good. Then take wrench 10, quick open close. Okay, the bottle, message in the bottle. Put the hose on top. Guys, this is so easy. If you bring this to a dealer, then you're stupid. It's just a few tools, you can do it yourself. Watch how easy it is. Now, first pump, then open, close. See, here comes the brake fluid. There are some bubbles and it's already dirty brake fluid. Pump just a few times, hold it, and then up. There are speed bleeders, but I like to do it this way. So. And keep an eye on your reservoir. Eh? Okay, then fill it up again. Okay, open, close, open, close, open, close. You don't need very much brake fluid. It goes from here to the ABS module, which is there, and then brake lines are very tiny, the inside. Okay, and again and again. Yep. See, already is clean. It was really necessary. This is enough. Then close it. Get your hose carefully off. Hold it upright so it goes back in the canister. Okay. And then, guys, give this a good clean, and then the special old mechanic trick. It's so easy, and it prevents from corroding on the inside, rusting. Put them in carefully. Now it's soaking up. Yes, see? See, it's all brake fluid. Make a new one. Okay, slide it in carefully. Yes, we're gonna leave it there for a while, so within a few minutes it's completely empty. Then let's move on. Hey, I have friends. Now guys, first we're gonna clean the diaphragm. Is that easy? Yep, just push toilet paper. I use always toilet paper. Cheap, and it works great. Here, ping. This good clean on the in and on the outside. So nice. Then we're gonna turn it inside out. So yes. So that's one. Then plastic cap. Give it also. Clean it nicely. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Guys, there is a tiny hole in the middle. Be sure it's open. There are 3 slits. See? There, there, and there. Be sure they are open too. Which they are. Nice. Then the cap, we give that a clean too. Inside and on the outside. Okay, then come on over. Now I got an important message, important tip. If you fill this all the way up to the upper level, there, and when you push the diaphragm in, it squirts out. So I always stay a hair underneath it, just like this, just a tiny bit. So now the diaphragm just touches like this. See? And it doesn't come out. Well done, old mechanic. Then the lid on top. Not too tight, but this is enough. Fasten this one. Oh. There he goes. There he goes. Yes. Now. And the Tupperware back on. Like this. Ah, this looks much better. Much better. We got a screw over here. Even kijken. Oh, something like that. Yes. Okay. And a screw over here. And wait a minute. Wait. One over there. So easy. It's so easy. Well, easy. Now, tighten it. It's not too tight, it's plastic. Tupperware. Before you know, it cracks. Okay. 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 Now we can take this one out, put the rubber cap back in place. Hop. Wait a little bit. Nice. Yes. So guys, that was my video. How you can do a brake fluid change on a Kawasaki Z650 on the rear. Was that easy? Absolute. Can you do it? Yeah, come on. Absolute. Save a lot of money, eh? That's what my channel is all about. Saving money. Showing you how easy it is to do your own maintenance. Simple maintenance. An oil change, rear brake fluid change, front brake fluid change. And meanwhile having fun. That's also. I like it. I get a lot of. I love it. And guys, when you do your own maintenance, you're always scanning your bike if things aren't out of the ordinary. So you always look and, hey, this bolt, is that tight? Yes, it's tight. And when there is something with your bike, you're gonna see it. And I'm not sure if dealers look at bikes like that. I don't know. But guys, I hope you like this video. And if you do, well, subscribe to my channel. Costs nothing. Fully free. You can always unsubscribe. Also fully free. Give me a thumbs up. Also good for the YouTube algorithm. And I hope to see you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.